Did you know that Unison members and their families can earn unlimited cashback with the UNISON Prepaid Plus Cashback card? You can earn up to 6% cashback from over 50 big-name retailers like Asda, M&S, Sainsbury's, Argos and Boots. How does it work? It's simple. You load money onto the card before you start shopping. You can load via direct debit or debit card. Unlike a credit card, you can only spend the money that you load. Great for those on a budget and means you remain in complete control of your money. When you've loaded up your prepaid card, you're ready to earn cashback online and in-store at our partner retailers. What's more, unlike most prepaid cards on the market, the cashback is unlimited. Cashback is automatically credited to your account when you next top up. There are no credit checks and no hidden fees. Going abroad? The prepaid card is accepted at 38 million outlets around the world, wherever you see the Visa logo. Enjoy these cashback savings for a £2.95 monthly admin fee. Apply for your prepaid card at unisonprepaid.com. How much cashback could you be earning today?